What's up, guys? Cheapies, aka Noah, back today bringing another video. This time we have a sneaker that I've been looking for a long time now, and actually found on Grailed, and something that I'm never going to get rid of. But we will get into the story in just a little bit. I just want to make a few quick things before we get into the video. We're at around 350 subscribers, so once we get to 500, I am going to do a giveaway. I'll announce it closer to the 500 because I don't really want to announce it now, but I just want to tell you guys. So if you want to share the video, share any of my previous videos, hit subscribe, like the button, help me get to that 500, and then we'll do a giveaway. And then also in the description, I just started a podcast with my friend Hans. We only did episode 1 so far. Episode 2 is coming on Thursday. It's the Way Too Cheap podcast. If you want to look it up, link will also be in the description. Subscribe to that. We're going to try to get it on Spotify and stuff here shortly. We just want to get the first episode out on YouTube because that's something we want to do. And it's just about us talking about basically our lives. What we've done in the past, what we plan to do in the future, like that kind of stuff. We're just like two mid-20s guys talking about what we've experienced so far in our life. So if you want to check that out, that link will be in the description for that too. But let's get into the sneakers. All right, so these are the Jordan 14 Oxidized Greens. You might be wondering why I have these. These are from 2016. These ones are from 2016. They've only released twice, 2016 and 1996. They have a Ferrari like Jordan logo that you guys will see in the B-roll shortly, and then a 23 in like a UNC blue with some like this dark plastic bit on the midsole and on the tongue. I don't really have any Jordan 14s. This one is kind of special to me. My dad had some forever when I was growing up, and he passed away about 12-13 years ago at this point. And for some reason I always remember having these. He didn't have a ton of sneakers, but for some reason I think he really liked Jordans, because when I was like 3 maybe, I was wearing Jordan 1s. My mom says she might still have them, but I want to get those just so I can recreate the photo of me wearing Jordan 1s. But for some reason I feel like he said that this sneaker was like really limited or something like that. I couldn't find anything to back that up, and he said these are like UNC editions. They might be. They have UNC colorways, and obviously Jordan went to UNC. But for some reason I always remember him having them, but I never saw him wear them as far as I remember. But my brother actually has his original pair from 1996. Those shoes are almost as old as me, but I never saw him wear them. They were really good condition. I don't know what my brother has done with them, but my brother has his pair, and I wanted to find my own pair, and I didn't feel like trying to find a 1996 one. So I was on Grailed, and I've been looking. These have come up on Grailed a few times, but these went for $90, which is really cheap. They go for like 200 something brand new on StockX if they are brand new. But these have been worn, and I don't mind that because I'm never really going to wear these. And these are also something I'm never going to sell just because they're more sentimental to me than anything. I just really wanted a pair to remember my dad. I don't really know too much about Jordan 14s. I've said that when they've come up on sneaker release videos, but they are pretty comfortable. My dad's ones are actually size 12, and both my brother and I were size 13, but my dad was like 6'5", and I'm 6'2", and my brother's like 6'1", maybe 6 foot. So somehow we got bigger shoe size, and we're not as tall. So these are always something I've been looking for a while, and I just wanted to pick up basically to have. Like I said in the title, I'm never going to sell these just because they mean more to me than the $90 I could make from them. They have been worn. I need to clean them a little bit just to make them look a little nicer, but they are just going to be kind of displayed, and I might wear them like once or twice just to remember him. His birthday was actually Friday, so I should have made the video on Friday. It would have been a good time to talk about these sneakers, but it's not a new release. It's 2016, so it's 5 years now at this point, but nothing crazy. Jordan 14 on the bottom of the sneaker, Jordan logo, Jordan 23 on the back, and the Ferrari inspired Jordan logo there too. So they're pretty comfy. I have put them on my feet a couple times. I just haven't really worn them because I have no need for them, but I'm excited to have them in my collection. I would sell everything probably before I sell these, more because they're not worth a ton, but they're worth more, way more to me than like every sneaker in my collection. So I would sell those before I sell these, and maybe I'll pass them down to my kids one day, and they'll be like, why are we getting these shoes? But it does mean something to me, and hopefully you guys have something to remember anything. And for some reason, you guys have some memories of someone that you like keep around. That's kind of why I had to pick these up. But they are important to me at this point, but that's about it. There's nothing really other than that. I will show you guys some B-roll here shortly, just so you guys can see the sneakers and see what they look like at the place.
Her body in Harvard above me.
So those were the Jordan 14s, Oxidized Greens, the 2016 model. They've only released twice. We'll get back to some newer sneakers and some other videos soon. I just wanted to show you guys one of my sneaker pickups recently, since I do talk about sneakers, and these ones were pretty important to me. If they weren't, I've picked up other things in spare time, like some sliding stuff. But these are Jordans, so they are like not hyped up or anything. But they are important to me and something I just wanted to talk about and show you guys on the channel, since I don't know if you guys have ever seen the Jordan 14 Oxidized Greens, especially now if you've been in the sneaker scene for the last 5 years, because they haven't come out since. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me in the comments anything that you guys might have sentimental to you, like any sneakers or anything like that, because obviously this is something that's more sentimental to me than the actual sneakers itself. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.